Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we show you how to get a perfect brow lamination. Step 1. Clean brows. Remove all makeup, dirt efficiently. Apply lifting perm solution. Brush hairs upward with precision. Cover your brows with a clear plastic wrap tightly secured around the edges. Leave the plastic wrap on your brows for a duration of 5 to 8 minutes. Gently remove the plastic wrap, ensuring that no hairs are left within it. Apply a fixing, neutralizing solution along with your brows, brushing the hairs in the desired direction. Reapply the plastic wrap and leave it on for another 5 to 8 minutes. Here comes the result. Beautiful.